What is going on, guys? Welcome to PoeBoys. I am Poe, and today we're going to be going to the dump. But first off, I wanted to tell you all about something that's going on August 10th, which is this coming up month, or here in like 2 weeks or something, August 10th. I'm going to be hosting a meet, or I'm going to be going, all right, here we go. I'm going to be teaming up with Addie's Army and, Levi, I just cannot do this. Alright, so I'm going to be teaming up with Southern Spotted and Addie's Army, and we're going to be hosting a pop-up meet. I'm just going to be showing up there. I'm going to be showing up in the puzzle piece car, which if you're not familiar with it, it's right here on Gavin's video of painting me. So that is going to be on August 10th at the Birmingham Greyhound Racing Complex, and it's going to be from 5 to 8 p.m. Looking forward to meeting y'all if you're local, and let's have a good time. So without further ado, let's head to the dump to throw away my trash parts. Let's do it. Just weighed in at the dump. Now I'm going to go down yonder. Damn, it sounds so good. Hey, that's exhaust piping. One man's trash is another man's treasure, that's for sure. I'll make sure I'm not gonna run over a bicycle on my way back. Backing up. All right, let's get this junk out of here. That's not a bicycle. That's a unicycle. No freaking way! That's a unicycle! Holy sh! Who just gets rid of a unicycle at the dump? Holy sh! Y'all don't know, I'm actually pretty freaking solid on a unicycle. The tire's flat, otherwise it'd be a lot easier. Bro, sometimes things just come to you. Like, content? Yeah, I can't do it with a flat tire and on the off-road. That's dope. That's really cool. That's mine now. Let's see what other cool stuff people have thrown away. Treadmill, elliptical, fridge, barbecue pit. It's over here. There's some more trash. There's a lid to the fridge. This is like a leap of faith. It's like 10 feet down. I'm just chilling. So, let's fix this. Oh, crap, teleported a little bit, but it's somewhat empty. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and weigh myself and head out. I bet. All right, so there's a few things I gotta do. First off, let me get this unicycle out of here. Oh man, dudes are gonna flip when they see me on this thing. Oh boy, this will be running. I'm gonna take these guys right here and I am selling them today. I'm gonna load them up in the truck and then y'all are gonna get to see what's next. If not, it's okay. If so, woohoo. All right, now I'm going with Jake. Me and Jake are going to get food. And then we're getting clippers because Nick is cutting my hair, so.
It's a typical day at the office.
Typical day at the office, pretty much. Hopefully I'll be riding a unicycle with a fresh haircut and not be hungry here within like the next few minutes.
Now, if that's not a good day, I don't know what is.
It's literally the days I live. Wake up and figure out who's gonna cut my hair.
Where to take it,
where to take stuff to the dump, and then find a unicycle and how to find her to ride it. So I just fixed the unicycle and Jake said he wants to try it. He doesn't have much experience on a unicycle, so he's just gonna sit like and fall. I just took it apart and put a new tire on it. I didn't film it, but I put a new tire in it. You're gonna want to sit on something. Like
the plastic are falling. Oh. This is not easy.
You gotta not have freaking stupidness.
I don't know how to do that. Can you teach me?
All right, so start with your non-biased foot down. So I'm right-footed, so my left foot goes down.
Careful holding that plastic piece. It wants to fall off.
And then you stand on it. You get down, and then you can just ride.
That tire is losing tread by the second.
Yeah, because they put a mud tire on it, and it's not a mud tire. Try turn mud tire unicycle.
You going off-roading in a unicycle?
Right.
This just looks unnatural. Oh my god. Oh my god, he's off-roading on a unicycle. I'm impressed.
I don't know, I'm just really blessed with balance. Yeah, try not to hit the truck and try not to hold that plastic piece hard. You don't need to.
Oh yeah, I noticed. Nope, it happened.
It's not easy. Like, it's not even close to being easy.
Yep.
This was at the dump like 10 minutes ago.
What I'd be really impressed with is if you could do a handstand on the pedals.
I can't do a handstand, but I'll try something else.
Do a gainer, bruh.
It's hard to do it with the big wheel. I'm used to doing it on a 20-inch one.
I just can't believe you found this at a dump.
Yeah, who would throw this away? Excuse me?
Oh, if that was a street tire, it wouldn't have washed out.
Nope.
That was awesome.
Sponsored by Slime Tubes.
Yeah, sponsored by Slime Tubes. Thank you, Slime Tubes.
Because you can always go shorter, but I can't put hair back.
Yeah. All right, so Nick, right here, follow Nick. He's giving me a haircut. I walked into work, or into their work, and said, I need a haircut. And he's like, all right. So 5 minutes later, we're actually doing the haircut.
Yep. Start just taking it off.
Oh,
there's an ear that's under
there is an ear in there. I have so much hair. Problem with the town that I live in is you have to schedule an appointment, and I'm too lazy to do that, so I had Nick do it. Thank you, Nick.
You're welcome, bud.
Follow Nick, he's great.
Plus he trusts me, yeah.
Update, pose looks hot.
You want more off the top?
Oh, the top looks pretty
like
solid. It can go down a little bit, but honestly, I'm not even mad.
Okay.
I'm gonna leave it like this. I'm gonna start my own little low.
Long.
Yeah, leave it long and then just buzz the sides with like a 3 or 4.
Yeah, I was gonna pop a 3 on there.
All right, adios. Nick provides the fades for local clients of 6 Media.
Yeah, so if you're trying to get a fade, roll on up.
Yeah, sign on to 6 Media. Get approved, and then you can get a fade.
You look like a Apache warrior thing.
I am an Apache warrior.
Kind of dope.
Solid.
If you want to run your head under the faucet over there.
All right, guys. Thank you, Nick.
Yeah, but
Shout out Nick. Follow him. He cut my hair. I'm gonna go put a shirt on and then sell these wheels. Or trade these wheels, actually. So let's go ahead and get ready to do that. After you get a haircut, you gotta make sure you have the fresh shave. So you just shave it right next to where you are.
damn, Poe, you look hot.
Thank you.
You single?
I'm definitely single, but that's honestly by choice.
Shame.
It'd just be crazy. Oh yeah. Now we're getting somewhere. The best place to do this is out in front of where everyone works.
And leave your droppings.
Solid. All right, do I look like a douche YouTuber now?
You look like a sexy Avengers character.
Sexy Avengers character.
Like Hawkeye. You look like Hawkeye, actually. Now.
I'll take it. So here they are, guys. 18 by 10 right here and 18 by 9 right there. I'm gonna put the 18 by 10s in the front for the reveal of the car. So I'm gonna put those on, get one more tire right there tomorrow, and it should be pretty solid. So let's go ahead, put these guys in the garage so that way they don't get stolen, and then go mount the tire. All right, I just got back from the tire shop. Now let's go pick up some tires. All right, I'm back. Jake gets to see the package at the same time y'all see the package.
Can we pick different words next time?
Ooh. They are gold XXRs.
You know what?
They're 18s. They have tires on them. What I did was I just took the tires off of my Mustang wheel, the stock Mustang wheels, the 2 ones, and put them on here. And these guys are gonna go on the car for when it gets painted. So I'm happy about that. What do you think, Jake?
That color
And Levi?
The color's still secret, right? They don't know the color of the car yet.
No, they don't know the color.
This is gonna look really good.
That's exactly why I did it. The guy who traded me these wheels traded me my wheels straight across, and then he gave me $100 too.
Not the worst curb rash ever.
No, not bad at all. Could be worse.
Probably got it worse, I think, than any of them.
Yeah, that one is the worst out of all of them.
Yeah, he's gonna look good.
Oh yeah, I'm freaking excited about it. So these guys right here are XXRs, 18 by 10 in the back, 18 by 9.5 in the front, and just regular street tires on it, because whenever we do the event that I'm gonna go to the next day, I'm gonna be doing something, and that's gonna be a surprise for y'all, but I have the right tires for it. So getting the car ready to go. Unicycle still doing good. I'm freaking ready for this. This Alabama trip's gonna be something sweet. I really hope to see y'all at the meet. Actually not y'all, because y'all aren't going. I know y'all aren't going, but I hope to see y'all at the meet. So hopefully y'all show up and are there, because that would be freaking sweet. Y'all get to see my car, and trust me, we've got a lot of surprises coming up for the video of stuff that I'm doing in Alabama. Not in front of most people. I'm gonna be doing it actually alone with Jared. He's helping set up this whole reveal, I guess, but I'm gonna leave that really open and broad until it happens, and I'm just gonna have to show y'all, because man, I'm really happy. And again, thank you to Rail for sponsoring the paint job on the car and truck and all that stuff. Y'all, I'm thankful for everything. Big shout out to Rail and Jared, and man, I'm just ready for all this stuff to happen. Jake, do that.
He doesn't drink.
That's inappropriate.
demonetized.
That literally is a shock boot for my rear shocks. That's
Hey,
funny.
remember yesterday when you cut your hair? There's a hairball over here if you want to go.
Oh yeah, let's go look at my hairball. It's been the next day.
I'm pretty sure it collected momentum.
It's like a tumbleweed.
Wait, where is it? No.
Where did my hair go?
There was your hairball there next to like, I don't know, some little stick.
Next to some stick.
Who would have come by? Oh, here it is.
Oh, you found it?
It's just been destroyed.
Aw, it's no longer a hairball.
I guess they picked up the thing it was next to.
Or it blew away. Because tumbleweeds do that. Hair should do that too.
Why are there so many Arctic? What the heck?
Yeah, I know. That's what I was wondering. There's a whole lot of Arctic,
So
like.
somebody unboxed a whole lot of Arctic stuff and then just.
I really hope the stickers are in here. Yeah, that's from the lady next door when she got her car washed. All right, guys. So this video right here is the outro. Jake, do you like talking about outros?
That's the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it.
I hope y'all enjoyed it even better. But y'all look forward to the stuff that's going on. And what is Levi doing?
Hey,
have a good one.
You know what to talk about?
Oh yeah.
When's that from?
Yeah, I have no clue.
Well, let's see how long it stays there.
Y'all have a good one. And remember to freaking send it.